The Bosch 12-volt max lithium-ion 2-speed pocket driver. Big power in a small package. Best in class compact size and lightest weight. Powerful 2-speed gearbox. 265 inch-pounds of max torque. Universal 1/4-inch hex bit holder. 20+ 1 clutch settings. Powerful LED work light. It comes with Bosch's 12-volt max lithium-ion quick charge power system with unmatched runtime, best cold weather operation, and twice the lifetime. The right size. A tool for any job. The power you need. The 12-volt max lithium-ion 2-speed pocket driver.
Bosch. Invented for life.
From Swanson Tool Company, the inventors of the Speed Square, comes another innovation, the Framing Wizard. A new 5-in-1 framing square that eliminates the need for all these alignment tools. Traditional framing squares don't fit in toolboxes. They get bent and smashed in the truck or out on the job, becoming useless. The Framing Wizard folds conveniently to fit into any standard size toolbox. The Framing Wizard's ability to fold and unique sliding tab allow you to lay out 12-inch, 16-inch, and 24-inch on center studs. Quickly move down a board and repeat a stud layout perfectly every time. Switch between angled and square cut marks and back again. Add a small level and determine existing roof pitches in a snap. With the Framing Wizard, you can easily lay out a perfect pitch for common or hip and valley rafters. Also, the Framing Wizard's trademark diamond cutout allows you to quickly lay out double cheek marks for hip valley rafter cuts. This trademark diamond cutout is a Swanson tool exclusive. The Framing Wizard can be simply readjusted to maintain accuracy. And with the Framing Wizard's handy step-down table, you can easily calculate rake walls and jack rafter lengths. Constructed of aircraft-grade aluminum with bright blue hardcoat anodizing and precision laser etch details, the Framing Wizard is built for the long haul. It's the Framing Wizard, the folding framing square by Swanson Tool Company. Look for the trademark diamond cutout, only from Swanson. Start square and finish level with Swanson. Building customer trust for more than 80 years.
So here's a video of our simple hollowing system, and we're going to just kind of show how the laser works on this video. You can see here that it might be a bit of a surprise I got the 90-degree detailer in there. That's because I found out by accident that the 90-degree detailer cuts or hollows out material really good. So we're going to demonstrate that, and we're going to demonstrate how to set the laser. I already have the laser set way off to the side here so that I leave plenty of wall thickness when I'm doing this. So we'll do this first, and then we'll switch to the simple turner and hollower. And we're going to run the speed up to about a couple thousand here. You can see I have this set right on the center line. You can see that real clearly there when I get to the middle, because it's right in the middle there. There. With the hollowing system, really no chatter, really makes it fun. And I'm watching the laser pointer up here on the top of the bowl, shows me where I am. So there's never any worries about breaking through or going too deep. or too wide. Of course, when you get right in the middle, that's where it's the hardest because there's really no speed. Bombarded with chips. Even with it hanging out over the tool rest, you still don't get any chatter because the hollowing system holds it so well. But I am going to tip it in, like, you know, that would just be good practice. Tip the tool rest in. So if you sneak around over here and get the view of the laser on the outside of the bowl, you can really see now where the laser is starting to fall off the edge. So that's telling me that's about as deep as I want to go with this kit. So now we'll switch to the STH, simple turner and hollower. So this round one with the flat top cutter. And of course these are all simple wood turning tools made in America, right here in Ramsey, Minnesota. Oh. We'll check on where the pointer's set now. So I'll loosen this up here on the top just a little bit and wiggle this back. And we'll get a little bit closer to the cutter and tighten that down. I'm going to go just a little farther out with it. And about like that. So we're maybe a 1/4 inch or so to this side. And we're about, well, we're actually only about an 1/8 inch beyond the tip of it, so I got to kind of watch that when so I don't go too deep. And this clamp here, by the way, is a new design that we came up with a while ago. We used to have a heavier square aluminum block, but it vibrated too much and it was very difficult to adjust. So I came up with this new design here, and it works a lot better. See, as I go across the bottom, I can tell right where I'm at. So there's never any doubts about how deep you are or how thick the wall is. Probably going a little too fast out there on the end. And if you look at the open end here, now you can see that. I'm going to stop. You can see what we have here. We have, you know, maybe 1/4 or 3/8 inch wall thickness there. So if that laser light was the same all the way down the bowl, which it isn't, now we know that the wall is a little thicker. So I'll start it up again. Cut down the wall. The laser light's starting to get longer now. So we know we're maintaining that. Boy, the camera's really dusty. I'll blow the dust off the lens. So there you go. Simple turner and hollower from Harrison Specialties, and the simple hollowing system with the laser guide. Thanks for watching our video. Hope that helps.